Is your T-Mobile device not eligible for unlocking? Let's understand the requirements. T-Mobile requires devices to be fully paid off. The account must be in good standing with no late payments. The device must have been active on the network for 40 days if prepaid or 60 days if postpaid. It cannot be reported lost or stolen or associated with fraud. Check your account status on the T-Mobile app or website to verify these requirements. If you don't meet the criteria, paying off the device balance is usually the first step. If your device was purchased unlocked, this process may be completely unnecessary. If your T-Mobile device meets eligibility requirements but is still denied for unlock, start troubleshooting by contacting T-Mobile support. Dial 611 or use online chat to explain your situation. Have your IMEI ready for verification. System glitches can sometimes cause wrongful denials. Support can check for these issues. If the issue persists, request a review within 30 days. Appeals succeed in about 40% of cases. For refurbished devices, ensure there are no prior carrier locks using verification tools. In rare situations, contact the T-Mobile Ombudsman to resolve persistent issues. Remember, unlocking is free and irreversible once approved.